Next, it's a cube and we have to find out the surface area. Okay, surface area means all these areas outside. Okay, but volume is given. Volume is 2197, that is given. Okay, what is the formula for volume of cube? Side cube, right? So volume equals to, let's say this is A. So volume equals to A cube. So A cube equals to 2197. So A equals to cube root of 2197. Now what is cube root of 2197? 13. Why? That's why I always say learn cubes up to 15 by heart. Okay. So A equals to 13. You have to solve this now. Means if you don't know, you'll have to go by trial and error. 3 divided by 3, then match all 3's, then divide it, everything like that. But that's very difficult. And it's 13. 13 is a prime number. So you won't get anything divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6. You will directly get divisible by 13 only. And 13, 3 times. So that's why learn cubes up to 15 by heart. Your time will be won't be wasted. Okay, now we got the A, that is side. Now what is the surface area? Surface area means what? It's a cube. Cube means all sides equal and all surfaces equal. So 6 into, even if you find it for 1 and multiply it by 6, you will get the same answer. So 6 into 13 means you get multiplied, you get 1014 square centimeters. 13 square is what? 169. 169 into 6 multiplied 1014.